first plug in the base and to the wallet and put the soft rubber plate. The purpose of putting this soft rubber plates is prevents the magnet from damage the base. Okay, the next important is how to hold the magnet. The top label from the side, from the upside. Use two hands hold the magnet to the center of the base. Vertically throw down the magnet to the center of the base. There is only one spot of levitation. Let's do it again. Hold the magnet. Slow down to the center of the base. If the magnet is very close to the spot of levitation on the base, do not release your hand quick. No, don't release your hand quick. So the magnet will move to its levitation spot by itself. Let's do it again. Hold the magnet vertically to the center of the base. Yeah, this is the levitating spot, levitating position. Yeah, slowly release your hand. Practice. Yeah, hold it. And the magnet will find its levitating position by itself.